Hi guys, in this video we're going to introduce extracting metals from their ores, and then we're going to look at extraction with carbon, extraction of copper and extraction of iron. We'll end the video with a summary.
We need a large supply of metals as they have so many different uses. Some metals are present in the Earth's crust, in the form of elements. This means that they haven't formed compounds. The elements that are most likely to be found in the Earth's crust in their elemental form are those that are very unreactive. For example, gold or platinum. Their unreactivity means they've stayed as elements and haven't reacted with air or moisture in order to form the oxides or sulfides, for example. These metals can be mined straight from the ground, and as soon as we get them out of the ground, they're ready to be used. Other metals are mined from the ground in the form of metal ores. These contain compounds of the metal rather than the metal in its pure form as the element. Therefore, the pure metal needs to be extracted from the ores. We can formally define what we mean when we talk about a metal ore as a rock that contains enough metal in order to make it economically viable in order to extract the metal from it. We make this distinction because all rocks will contain trace elements, very small amounts of metals or metal compounds. An ore contains one or more metals in large enough quantities that it's worth doing the extraction process. After an ore is mined, it's normally processed in order to separate out the desired metal oxide compound from other substances that are present in the ore. Metal oxides will be present due to the reaction of the metal with oxygen from the air, and these metal oxides are separated out from the metal ore as the pure metal can easily be extracted from the metal oxide. The process by which we extract a metal from a metal oxide is by using a redox process, typically either electrolysis or the reduction with carbon. We describe the reaction that happens when a metal is extracted from its metal oxide as reduction. This is because the metal, in going from metal oxide to the pure metal, is losing oxygen. If you've seen our video on reduction and oxidation, you'll know that we can define a reduction reaction as one in which the substance loses oxygen, and that reduction reaction will happen at the same time as an oxidation reaction, so that another substance will gain the oxygen that is lost from our metal oxide. The overall process is therefore described as redox, because another substance will simultaneously be oxidised.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.